All right, what's up there, YouTube? So we are in Lowe's at the moment. I am getting ready, getting prepared to get my vanity done. So I want to show you guys what we have right now. We grabbed 2 of these. These are the stackables. They have 2. You can either get the ones like this or the other one that has like a base at the bottom and then a base at the back. So we got 2 of these that's going to be used for my storage. We also got some wood glue, which runs for about $3.98. And these run, baby, these were 16, something like that, 16, 18. And then right now we're getting our board, which is here. And we are getting the one that's $13.98. It's the 11 by 11.75 inches to make sure that it fits on top. So I'm so excited, guys. I'm not gonna have them cut the board because they smart. I forgot that I have to account for the 2 drawers on the side, so I don't want a small table. Like I want it to like.
It's a 5-foot board. You're gonna lose about 2 feet.
Right. So
and that's probably be a 3 foot.
So we good, we Gucci. Can't wait. All right, guys. So now we are in Ross, and I was looking for a mirror, and this is the mirror that I found. It has gold. This is gold because the room has gold curtains. You'll see when I get ready to go inside. And I'm gonna order the lights on Amazon. I'll put the link below. So after this, we're going to Five Below to see if we can find some like little makeup drawers. This room into something great.
Slow down. Don't put your side on there.
I'm not. Fix it. Right now. Right now.
Yeah, come on, today we do it.
All right, guys. So the vanity is all up. I am so happy. I am so happy. My room is coming together. My hubby is the best. The best, the best, the best. I am so happy, guys. Like, y'all don't understand. And I begged him. It's like 12 a.m. And I'm like, babe, please, please, I need you to finish this for me. And he did. I am so happy, y'all. So happy. Can't wait to record videos here. I can't wait for the greatness to come because I'm just so happy. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you thumbs up, you like, you subscribe, and let me know what you think. This is super easy. It's cheap. And I'll link everything that I purchased below. All right. Love you guys. Bye.